Well, we first realized we needed a new roof back over the summer. We had a hail damage. We realized it because we could tell that we had a few areas on the ceiling where we had some water damage, and so we contacted the guys at 5 Points Roofing. Came out, gave us an estimate. We were ready to go, turned it into the insurance company, and they balked at it. They sent their own adjuster out and disagreed with the estimate that we had. So naturally I was very frustrated, but that quickly went away because the guys there at 5 Points really stuck with us throughout the whole process and came out and had it re-inspected and managed to get it through positively for us with our insurance company, and they paid it in full. And obviously we've got a great new roof here. I'm very happy and couldn't say enough good things about it.